Magandang hapon po. Good afternoon. This is Elvin Laceda, originally from Pampanga, but I'm currently in Las Vegas. Ito po ang family tree using the family search software po ng The Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. Dahil po ilang taon ko na rin pong tinutulungan si Miss Bettina bilang aking mentor sa kanyang family tree, papakita ko po yung sample ng inyo pong family history using the family search engine. For this example, we'll be using ang line po through the family tree ni Miss Bettina Kimson. There are different ways for you to navigate po itong website. Ngayon po, we're using the descendancy view where you can see po yung, for example, from Miss Bettina Kimson down towards her mga apo. Yan po. You can record the names, yung mga date of births po. At the same time, you can even upload photos. Ito naman po yung landscape view po ng family tree. Pero will be showing po yung portrait. The family search engine po, it's the largest repository of records based in Salt Lake City, Utah. And this is free to use. Ang kagandahan po nito, because you know better yung pong mga names, records, and dates, minsan may mga konting error dun sa mga records and data, pero dahil may personal knowledge po kayo sa mga names and dates, you can correct it. Pero dahil po ngayon we are in your grand reunion po through the De La Paz, kay Doña Teresa De La Paz, and sa mga families ng Tuason and Legarda, we will show you po yung so far na research natin, no? With the help of Miss Bettina and some of the submissions po na nilagay ninyo. So, we can see here yung with Doña De La Paz and Don Jose Tuason. Ito po yung kanilang mga anak. You can see it on the screen at mababasa po ninyo. And you can see si Don Demetrio merong picture. You can also upload yung mga pictures po when you download sa inyo po mga phones, or you can use this sa desktop, yung familysearch.org. We will show you po mga samples po ng mga tree that we were able to create. So this is more information dun sa dalawang side, the Tuason side and then the Legarda side. So we will view the tree po ni Doña Trinidad. So that Doña Teresa. And I will show you po yung mga so far, yung mga binigay po ninyong mga data that Miss Bettina and I uploaded on the system. So, for example, you will see here po yung mga iba't ibang kamag-anak po ninyo, living and deceased. So, dyan, if you can click that po, yung arrow, it shows the descendants per lineage po. For example, yung kay Don Juan Jose Antonio Tuason, nandyan po pababa yung kanyang lineage down to the mga grandchildren. For example, in this line, through the Luis Kimson line. And then, you can see also dito po kay Don Demetrio de la Paz Tuazon, yung iba't ibang mga descendants po nila. Ayan, for example, kay Jose Tuazon, and then down to the others. So, ang kagandahan po ng inyong family tree talaga is vast. And there are lines na nag-intertwine po at some point, especially towards sa inyong mga ancestors. So this one naman po kay Nicasio Tuazon, uh, and then kay Pilar Lim Tuazon, at saka sa mga Manzano. So you can see yung mga detailed po na information towards their descendants. So it's the same with other lines din naman. So you can see this online. When you register po sa inyong mga accounts po dito, you can directly connect kasi these are already encoded in the system. And from time to time po, kapag may mga bagong information regarding your ancestors, the website updates it. Pero you can also update it on your own. Especially, you can upload photos, memories, even videos of your ancestors. The main purpose of this is to really preserve the memories po of our ancestors, because we believe in the Latter-day Saint community po that families can be together forever, and we are all big one family. So dito naman, as you see po going down, this is the Maria Regina Manzano line, then the Natividad Lim Tuason, na nakapangasawa ng Salcedo. So it's really detailed, and you can also update it on your own. Then towards the Celso Tuason line, down to the Carmen Tuason, the Laguardias, then the Demetrio line. You can see yung mga pinaka recent members of the family. So yun po. So this is an exciting opportunity for you to preserve the records po and memories of your ancestors. And there are lots of opportunities then to connect with other relatives that are already researching your ancestors. And this is also one way to establish yung, for example, origin ng family, especially if you have direct Spanish line going back to Spain, and other interesting information about the family. The Tuason family is, I think, the most powerful family line in the Philippines. It goes back towards both the Chinese and Spanish line po, and especially some of the Tuasons married into the Kerrs, mga Kerr po, Kerr. So yung line po kasi, it goes all the way to the US and Scotland, and it's the most complete line of all the lines so far, of any Filipino based family. So later I will show you that some of you are actually related to some of the most consequential figures in world's history. Sometimes figure out, kamag-anak ko ba si ganito? Or other people. So, this one naman po, we are now in the Lourdes Tuason line. So, the Lourdes Tuason line po, dalawa pong line pong na-create din ito, yung Matute line and the Arroyo line. So, makita po ninyo dito yung mga nasubmit nyo pong mga names that we were able to upload in the system. And especially po yung mga bagong members of the family. So, ito po yung Matute line. We are in the Henato family. This is actually maraming members of the family po ito. Ayan. So, and then later po, you can also see the other lines po, the Legarda line and the Prieto line. Dito po yung Ignacio Arroyo Senior line. So, dito po yung line nila former First Gentleman Jose Miguel Arroyo and former Representative Iggy Arroyo and also former Representative Marilu Arroyo. So, dito po yung line po with former President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo at sina former Congressman Mikey Arroyo and Ambassador Luli Arroyo Bernas. Yan. Ito naman po, let's go to the Benito Legarda line. Ito naman po yung kanilang mga family tree starting from Benito Legarda III. And then ito po yung kanyang mga iba't ibang descendants that are on this tree. If you find yourself po one of those descendants po na connected sa kanila, you can create your account and connect with this line. So, majority of these lines are also in Spain po. No? Yan, the So that's it po. Ito po yung descendants and family tree po ni Doña Teresa de los Santos de la Paz with Jose Tuason and Benito Legarda. So you can navigate and explore po the family search website on your own, and you can find a lot of very interesting aspect of this website to your advantage. You can collaborate with other family members and be able to preserve memories, photos, videos, and others that you will be able to cherish throughout the years. Especially if the records are on paper, you can take a picture and upload it on the system. And that's very helpful po para sa mga next generation. Yun po, ito ang family search po. Talagang it's a family tree for the human family. It will enable you to really create. And lastly, I want to show you a very interesting function of this website. If you are wondering kung meron kayong kamag-anak na sikat, famous, or very important person in world's history. Like for example, let's see, if connected ba or related ba si Miss Bettina Kimson, let's say, kay Abraham Lincoln. So we'll just put any information that we know. So because Abraham Lincoln was born in 1809, let's see if she's connected. And then we will find sino ba yung correct dyan. And I think the second one, yung tama, based on the information provided. And you will see po, merong icon po doon sa person, like for example, President Abraham Lincoln, meron nakalagay na view relationship. View relationship, it will enable you to see if you're connected with the person, if there's sufficient connection. Let's see if Miss Bettina is connected to him, with him. And she is. So, actually, hindi siya directly connected, pero yung asawa ni Abraham Lincoln ay 11th cousin, 4 times removed ni Miss Bettina. And it's through the Pardo de Tavera, Carmen Pardo de Tavera line, through the Sembrano and the Kerr line, Kerr. Yung po kasi mga Kerr are very complete yung kanilang line towards US and Scotland. And in this function po, makita nyo sino yung shared ancestor nila. So, it's John Campbell, first of Lowers, from Scotland. So, yun yung kanilang common ancestor. It's very interesting, di ba? If Miss Bettina is also connected with the Queen Elizabeth II ng United Kingdom. I know this is parang it's too far. Pero let's see if may sufficient records to prove that she is related. So I'm showing this po as an example because you'll be able to experience it by yourself. So actually, directly connected si Miss Bettina kay Queen Elizabeth II. She is her 14th cousin twice removed. And we will see which line. So dito makikita po ninyo again through the Padre Tavera and then the Sembrano and Kerr line. And actually, some of the Tuasons also married into the Kerrs and Sembrano line and the Nieto line. So, ang common ancestor po ni Miss Bettina and Queen Elizabeth as yung mga Abernathy ng Scotland. And actually, kamag-anak niyo po siya through the mother side, which is also a royal. So, yan po. This is just one example to show how powerful data and information and preserving one's record is to the posterity of the whole human family. So, maraming salamat po for listening today, and I hope you'll enjoy your reunion, and you can also approach our missionaries and anyone that they are willing to help you po to register at our website, familysearch.org, and it will help you preserve your memories and records for your whole family. I'm grateful for this opportunity po to join you today. Kahit dito lang po sa isang record, I'm grateful for the influence of your family in the history of the Philippines. Ako po ay directly rin affected by the generosity and kindness of the Tuason family through my association with the family of the first gentleman being married with our Pampanga representative, Congresswoman Gloria Arroyo. Nung po ako'y high school ay pinaaral po nila ako. And then now, when I got my first job in government, Miss Bettina Kimson took a chance on me. So I'm grateful for all your influence po, for good in this world. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay po kayong lahat. Salamat po.